Good morning. Good morning. Happy Memorial Day. I'm hoping this video is out by Memorial Day. Thank you to all those who served. Thank you to all of the servicemen and women of this country. Heading out to Rockport to fish. I've got plenty of time off because my son is up in Arizona visiting his mother. Grab some taquitos, gonna head out to Rockport, Texas, America. Meeting a couple of buddies out there. Fished yesterday. I'm feeling a little bit like a bag. Was on the water yesterday for, I don't know, 7-8 hours. And usually that's okay. That's a normal trip, but it was a little hot, a little trying. Caught a nice red. Well, when I least expect it, took off my camera already. I was just dragging a little paddle tail through all these freaking mud boils, and if this is a red, there are hundreds of them. Man, there must be hundreds of fish out here, because if this is a redfish and if that's indicative to what all these mud boils are, they're everywhere. Oh gosh, that's a pretty big fish. Bit on a little bitty 3-inch paddle tail. Finally, somebody made commitment. And a very fat trout. Other than that, just some small dink trout, redfish. We're heading out to a pretty nice spot. It's kind of a tournament spot for us, and hoping that just get on some fish. Anyhow, folks, I hope y'all enjoy this trip. I hope that this intro makes it into a video so that you can enjoy a trip. You guys have a great day. Other than that, get out and fish, enjoy life, enjoy outdoors. Anyhow, let's get going. Enough of that chit chat. Nobody really enjoys that part. I think everybody kind of knows where I fish. If you don't know me, my name is Grant. I live in South Texas, fish Corpus Christi, Rockport, Port Aransas, anywhere in between and throughout those areas. Inshore saltwater fishing, obviously. I'm not fishing with these dadgum boots today. It's too hot. Put those away. Brought the sunscreen today. Yesterday was a little bit of a nightmare because I forgot my buff and my gloves, my fishing gloves. A lot of people make fun of anglers who use fishing gloves because they think, oh, they don't want to get their hands dirty or slimy or poked. It's not that, guys. Hand tan is a real thing. Look at this. That's not good. Too much sun. As much as I fish, I want to try to take care as much as I can. But I got all that stuff today. Brandon and Gary, they're going to be out here, but they're late. I'm going to go ahead and get out to the spot, start doing a little scouting and fishing. Water clarity is pretty good. Looks about maybe a foot, 2 foot visibility just from looking over here, but it gets dirtier out here. This lake that we fish in, it's a mud sand bottom mix, and doesn't have too much grass. It's got a little bit, and so I'll be using some bright pearl white chartreuse tail. That right there. This did really well yesterday. Of course, without the chartreuse tail. Trying out a chartreuse tail today. We're gonna start off with that. Later, guys. We'll see you in a little bit. This place is on fire in the winter because it's got a mud bottom. It creates warmth for them. However, somebody was saying that they heard it was on fire the other day. And it could be on fire way over there, 3 miles away from me, but I just making my first round through here like I always do. And if we can't rustle anything up, then kind of do some reconnaissance around here. And whoops, there was a little something, but that could have just been a bait fish. But you can't help but get excited when you feel that little thunk on your line. Sometimes it's a little thunk, sometimes it's a hard thunk. That was a little one. I think I got a little trout on. Maybe. Could be a little red. Oh man, that's a great looking trout. Good night. Look at this dude. Oh, shoot, man. Oh my Lord. Oh, good gracious. Thank you for starting off my day like this, my friend. That's an overslot trout, I'm pretty sure. Get set up for a photo real quick before I touch him. Yeah, buddy. You're a nice one. Goodness gracious, man. $22, maybe 22 and a quarter. We're gonna release over 20. Kick off, my friend. Hey, watch it. I saw it. I'm watching you. Oh my gosh. You see that? I don't know what that was, dude, but it freaking jumped clear out of the water. It looked like a red. That was nuts, man. I hope this ain't a gar, but it looked like a red to me. Yeah, right between me and you. Ha, damn. Man, there's a bunch of stuff in here, dude. Stand down. I'm not really sure yet what it is. Oh yeah, it's a red. Oh my gosh! Right here! Unbelievable! Christ, dude. How is that even possible, man? Freaking heck. My gosh, man. Look at that hook. Plenty of hook. Plenty of hook exposed. I don't get that. I have not had a red get off like that in a long time. Freaking strange, man. Sorry guys, get a little excited. Obviously nobody wants that BS to happen. Looped back around, hoping this place did a little reset. Just gonna work it again down to this second pylon. Dude, this is a big old fish. He is a tank, man. I mean, I've got my drag cranked down, and this boy better stay on this time. I hope it's not a freaking alligator gar. Oh my God, I can't move him. It's not a shark, honey. There's no sharks here. No, no, no. It is a very hefty red. Oh my gosh, look at him. Ah, Chihuahua. Yeah, he saw me. He didn't like my yellow kayak. He hit it hard, so. There was a little mullet that flipped right where he was at. Oh my gosh, he's right behind me now. Honey, just so you know, there's no noise better in the world than that noise you hear. Yeah. Well, I mean, there's a few, but it's up there. No, this drag. Bzzz. Oh, he's got you, dude. Oh, yeah, he's oversized for sure. Huh? Yeah. Oh, yeah, here comes a boat right to us. That's what happens. They see you hooking up. God almighty, dude. Look at this fish. I got him. Yeah, I just was pulling him in. That's a good question. I'm probably going to weigh him because he is a chingon for sure. He's a giant. He's being very polite. Huh? Ooh. Mira?
Holy shit, man.
Yeah, he's big. Let's see if he's my PB. God almighty. 29 and a quarter.
29 and a quarter?
Yeah. That little one that I had on, that's kind of like greenback with a sharp pearl body. I don't know if I gave you one.
I got photo chartreuse on right now.
That's the one that trout bit on too. I'll take a picture of it, but it came out. That is a chingona. Got your bad, brother. X marks the spot. X is the butterfly. There's the mullet jumping again right there. Alright, what's the day without a little dink trout mixed up in it? Thank you, sir. Nice to see you. Talk to you later. Trout. Unless it's a flounder. Or a rat. Yeah, it's a rat. Might as well just name off all the fish. I'll get it right eventually, right? Colors producing, boys. What are you bleeding from? You're full of them. See you, buddy. Instant. Little trout. Get off before you get over here, partner. It's like I'm just reeling in a big old lure. Little guy. Oh, come on, buddy. There we go. Couldn't have done that out there. He doesn't have an eye on one side, not from me. It's already done healed up. One-eyed Willie. Take good care of that last one, okay? Señores y señoritas, mucho gusto. Gracias por Alright folks, that's going to be the end of the show. We're going over to the Rockport Fishing Expo to poke around over there for a little bit.